Hello from New York, this is Vasya. I'm living in New York City 3.5 years and my English not perfect. I need bring my apologies. I started studying in college, Kingsborough College, and it will be just 2-3 months, not long time. And I understand my English not good. I try to speak English clearly. I try to understand English. It's really very difficult to me because my nature language is Russian. My first language is Russian language, and it's really some difficult. I try to watch movies. I try use all my phones, iPad, iPhone, laptop on English language. I try to play in games on English language like Genshin Impact. It's only on English language. I try. Please help me. Now I'm studying on two study. First study in college, Kingsborough College on Brooklyn. Who live in New York City, those people know where is it. It's nearby Manhattan Beach. And my second study, it's study on, I don't remember correctly the name of this study. It's technique of sterilization, medical tools, like that. Its study will be a couple months too. After study, I need to go to practice. How to say correctly? Practice to 400 hours. It will be paid practice or not paid practice. I don't know. I try to find practice who pay to me because I want money, of course. For English language lessons, I paid $1,150, and it was exam on your level of English. My level is like B2 C1, but my teacher tell me nobody can tell to you correctly your level of English language. I know my past times very crazy. I not speak clearly. I understand. My apologize. Really, I try to speak. But many people in USA tell to me on my apologize. Oh, Vasya, your English is good. Your English much better than my Russian language, and I'm happy to hear that because I really try. My English now much better than 3 years ago, but it's still low level to me. I understand it's my level like B2 C1, but it's really difficult because it's another language. I speak only on one language, Russian, and it's really difficult because some words in USA and Russian language, it's another words. We can tell language in Russian language, language how we talk in just like Russian, English language, and language like muscles in Russian language, it's one word. This language and speak, it's language too. In American, it's another words. This is not language. And it's many words. It's like nobody in Russian language don't speak, don't ask, does it correct? We don't use that word, but we have that word correct. If you asked someone in Russia, does it correct? Это корректно. People understand you, but people asked you, why you talking on old language? It's this word don't used now. I wish you understand me because I don't know how to tell clearly. I don't have any papers. I talking only from my mind. I wish my English will be much better because I must understand that I study on English on another profession. I have education of electrical and electrical engineer. I want to change my profession. I will be technique sterilization, medical tools. And I need to understand English language. I need to go to exam on English language. I need to work on English language. I must do that. I want to grow up on my knowledges. I want to grow up on my language, English language. I want to grow up with my profession. I want to understand movie. I want to understand what people sing on songs. I want to watch many movies on English language. Like I Love Lucy, Breakfast on Tiffany. I don't remember correctly how name of this movie. Many English films, movies, and TV shows like Friends and another. How I Met Your Mother. I want it. Please help me. I use this channel to grow up my English too. I wish. Thank you so much for seeing that video. Thank you. Bye bye.